Welcome to this stunning, modern home located in a peaceful and picturesque neighborhood. As you can see, the exterior boasts a sleek and contemporary design, featuring clean lines and a sophisticated color palette. The large front gate provides security and privacy, while the lush landscaping adds a touch of natural beauty to the property. Moving closer, we are greeted by the grand entrance, highlighted by a beautiful wooden door that adds warmth and elegance. To the left, a unique piece of artwork enhances the aesthetic appeal, giving visitors a sense of the refined interior design that awaits inside. Step inside to the living area, where luxury meets comfort. The room is adorned with intricate detailing and high-end finishes, from the stunning chandelier to the polished floors. Large windows flood the space with natural light, creating an inviting and airy atmosphere. The tasteful combination of classic and modern elements makes this living area perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. This modern staircase features a sleek design with wooden steps and glass railings, creating a sophisticated look. The wall lighting adds a warm touch, enhancing the contemporary feel of the space. The outdoor patio offers a relaxing retreat with its open design and pergola overhead. The green wall art adds a vibrant touch, and the modern fireplace ensures warmth on cooler evenings. This luxurious bathroom combines elegance and functionality. It features a spacious shower with a glass enclosure, a stylish bathtub, and a modern sink. The marble and tile finishes create a serene and spa-like atmosphere. This exquisite home offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please contact the listing agent. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this dream home yours.